safety, so I don't go shooting where you hurt me. Cause you take a bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making.
But would it be a Sophie Chanelle video without a hair flip? Huh? No. Did y'all see that? Oh no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. Hey sunshines, it's your stay-at-home mom, Sophie Chanelle, and I am back with another hair review. Yes, you guys, I've been gone for a little minute, but I am back. Had a little fresh air, feeling a little refreshed and recharged, and I'm ready to just push this content out, you guys. So before we get into all of that, I just have to say thank you for sticking with me throughout this time of me having like a little trial and error, seeing what it is, the direction that I want to take, taking that pause or whatever to kind of pivot a little bit. So thank you guys for sticking with me. I wouldn't be here without you, so I definitely appreciate it. Secondly, I have to give a huge thank you over to Sam's Beauty for sending me this unit to review. She's cute, and we're gonna get into that. But before we do, if you are already a part of the Sunshine Tribe, welcome home. If you're new here, welcome. And I also want to give a huge shout out to my Sunshine, Sunbright, Sunlight subscriber of the day. Thank you so much for being a part of the Sunshine Tribe. All right, so today's quick slay on the way. It comes from Studio Cut. And now I believe that this particular line is sold exclusively through Sam's Beauty. So this is Studio Cut by Pros. This is their natural deep part lace wig. This is a synthetic unit and it features ear-to-ear soft Swiss lace. And it says it has a natural hairline. I didn't do too much with the hairline or too much with the style. Like when I tell you this was super beginner friendly, super quick, like this was really quick and easy. And I do have this one in the color FS1B/30, and this is the style DPL-001. And so you can see the color here. See that 1B, and the 30 is like that sort of light brown color that you see mixed in. The color blend is really nice. And you can see it better like in sunlight. All right, so first, this unit was super easy, super quick to install. I'm gonna insert like snippets here. I would not say that this is the biggest head-friendly unit. I did undo the straps and it's fitting comfortably. I don't have my hair corn rolled underneath. I just kind of have it plaited, but a stocking cap, which you'll see in that video as well. So it does have the adjustable straps. I undid those so that it was nice and comfy. So it's not too snug. The other thing I would say, this unit is very affordable. This currently is going for $25.99. I did not experience any tangles, light shedding, but this hair is easy to like brush through, to comb through. I didn't get any shangling, you know, with this particular unit. The color I think is really great. The price point, you can't beat it. I did go in with my Fit Me powder in the color 235, just to kind of go in the part right here. And I love that it does have that deep defined part. This unit did come with 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, the drawstring. You'll also see that there as well. Overall, I feel like this unit is just very quick, easy, affordable. You know, she stayed on during my hair flip test. You'll see that there as well. I don't have any negatives to say. The only con that I would say, I did get some shedding, but not too much. I do prefer when my units have a little bit more hairline on like the sides, when it's just like a deep part. Other than that, I don't have any complaints. For the price point, I feel like this unit was perfect for a quick throw on and go. I didn't do any edges or anything like that. No baby hairs with this particular unit. I feel like some units just don't need it. Even with this, I feel like I didn't even have to go in with like my hot comb to press down or a wax stick or anything like that. You could if you wanted to, but I feel like she was given like smoothness already. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. If you are interested, I will leave the links below in the description box where you can go over to Sam's Beauty's website. Check this unit out. Again, currently going for $25.99, which is a great deal, especially for hair that you don't have to hustle and tussle with, if that makes sense. It's very easy, very affordable, very quick, you know, like I'm all here for that. So yes, let me know what you guys think. Are you guys here for like a sleek, long look? This is where she is on me at the longest length. She's giving right at the top of tailbone. So yes, that's where it is. All right, you guys, so that's all I have to say about this unit. Thank you so much for tuning in. This was a quick video. Let me know if you guys are here for the quicker videos or if you like more of a lengthy video. Otherwise, I pray that you guys have an amazing rest of the week and that I'll see you guys soon. Please leave me some love down in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video. Leave me some love in the comments. I definitely appreciate it. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead on over there at the Sophie Chanelle. And on my Facebook, it's at the Sophie Chanelle 1 as well. Love you guys and catch you on the next video. Bye.